In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a loan for QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to create a proper loan account and record the funds so your books stay accurate and easy to understand. We'll start by setting up a dedicated loan account in your chart of accounts. This is important because it keeps your loan balance separate from your income and regular expenses, and it makes your balance sheet much clearer. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Accounting menu, then choose Chart of Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts you already use. To add your new loan, click the New button. This opens a window where you'll define what kind of account you're creating. Under Account Type, choose either Long-Term Liabilities or Other Current Liabilities. Pick long-term liabilities if you'll be paying this loan back over more than a year, like a car loan or equipment loan. Choose Other Current Liabilities if the loan will be repaid within a year. Getting this right helps your reports reflect your true financial position. Next, under Detail Type, select Notes Payable or something similar like Loan Payable, depending on what's available in your version of QuickBooks. This tells QuickBooks that this is specifically a loan-type liability. Now give the account a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it at a glance. For example, you might call it Business Line of Credit or Car Loan. Use a name that matches the lender or purpose of the loan so it's easy to track later. If you're setting this up after you already received the loan, enter the original opening balance and the as of date. This should be the balance of the loan as of the date you want your QuickBooks records to start. If you're not sure, you can check your loan statement or talk with your accountant. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Now let's record the loan funds themselves. If you're using bank feeds and the loan money was deposited into your bank account, go to the Banking tab. Find the deposit that represents the loan and categorize it to the new loan account you just created. This links the deposit to the liability, so your bank balance and loan balance are both correct. If you're not using bank feeds, you can record the loan with a journal entry. Click the New button and select Journal Entry. On the first line, choose your new loan account in the Account field and enter the full loan amount in the Credits column. On the second line, select the bank account where the money was deposited, such as your checking account. QuickBooks will automatically fill the Debits column with the same amount, keeping the entry in balance. Once you've confirmed the amounts and accounts are correct, click Save and Close. And that's it. You've created a loan account and accurately recorded the funds in QuickBooks Online.